Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to archive a channel on Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply for this video, we are going to follow this Help Center article of Slack. And from here, we will learn exactly how we can simply archive channels on Slack. So as you can see, we will be needing just to go to the channel that we want Slack to archive. We click on the channel name so we can get the details, and from there we will find archive channel for everyone. And by clicking on archive channel, we confirm and we you get go to go. Now let's just apply these steps and then click on this channel name, and basically it will allow us to get the channel details, and from there we will be able to find all these tabs. So as we saw, we need just to go to channel settings. By going to the settings, we will be able to search for the archiving channel. As you can see, we have this choice here. So we click on archive channel for everyone, and from here you will see what that means. That means that no one will be able to send messages to the channel. Any apps installed in the channel will be disabled, and if there are external people in this channel, they will be removed. So after reading this and that you are sure that you want to archive this channel, you will proceed by clicking on archive this channel, and you will have successfully archived your channel. Another way like to get to this detail page, you will be able to do it from this 3 points icon, and basically you can go to edit settings and it will take you to the settings directly. And from here, you will do the same steps by clicking on archive channel for everyone, and you will be able to archive it successfully. So basically those were the steps on how you can archive a channel in Slack. So thank you for watching and see you next time.